doing, dude?
What's up, buddy? Good to see you.
Good to see you too. I was down in Vegas, my old Veyron. I shipped this down to film a video with my old Veyron in this car, so that was fun.
Right. Sick.
And then we went to Arizona from there, and we filmed a pizza delivery video with a couple Chirons.
Oh, yeah?
And a LaFerrari, so that was fun. It's a good time. Yeah, now back in Utah for a couple weeks. Right, left, right.
Yeah. Yeah, I think that will look really safe.
Okay.
So, okay, so.
If I'm shooting other cars, I'm not as trigger happy. Like, I'm not shooting as much so often because I just don't want to go through all those photos. But when it comes to cars like this or special occasions, I mean, I freaking rip it. Like, because we're shooting digital, don't hold back, you know? So it's usually what I'm thinking when I'm doing this. Yeah, Hunter, let me know where you're sitting and I'll just kind of maneuver around you.
Cool. So I'll sit in the back, and you can sit like right there on that.
Oh yeah, sick, okay.
Were you just up here riding?
Who's the owner?
This speed's probably good.
That's what happened? Yeah, we're good. Oh, no. You want me to stop? Have you pull over?
Yeah.
Oh crap, my CPL filter fell off and almost hit the car. Oh no. It didn't hit the car though, so he dodged it.
Oh, he saw it.
Oh shoot. You want me to turn around?
I think you're good here for a sec. What size CPL filter do you need?
It was I think it's an 82.
I got you. You need one?
Oh, you have one? I'm so glad I did not hit their car.
Hey, now it's just a cool Pro Mist filter.
Yeah.
Gives it a nice cool star filter, you know?
Are we going down? Yeah, just go.
What's that?
You have an E2? Oh, is that the one you're shooting on?
Well, you can use it if you need it.
You sure?
But I'm secondary guy this year. You're primary.
I appreciate it.
Yeah.
I think it was because I had an ND on the bottom, and it caused it to slip.
Really?
So good.
You like that?
Sick.
Looks super cool.
How does the shot look with the polarizer falling off? Is that a thing?
Oh yeah. I got behind the scenes on these glasses too.
sick.
Yeah, so I'll send you that like cat-like reflexes. That scared the crap out of me. I was like, oh no. He goes, of course, this is the one shoot that happened.
Right.
The one with the.
Well, polarization is one of the most important things. Though.
Yeah.
So it's important to always be twisting it.
Yeah.
It's happened to me before. Never like that, but like if I'm filming or driving and I'm messing with it, it'll fall off as I'm. I like when it's in the car in my hand.
Yeah.
I do that sometimes.
Yeah, it seems to still work for you, Hunter. That's good.
Yeah, I always say that.
That did not help me jumping.
Thursday boots ad.
That's crazy. That wasn't on my big card.
Yeah.
Now send it to whoever owns this and say, you want a great ad?
Like one more wide shot.
Sweet. So I think now
Insurance on this car. It's crazy what polarization does.
Yeah.
Like
That's what he was saying with his
take the
glasses.
glasses off and it's like, what? That's, yeah. I wish the world always looked like this.
Right.
I wish the world was always polarized.
Was this one Houston's?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yep. Yeah. This was at the dealership. It
That's
was like
right.
black.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. Funny enough, I picked it up that day from the dealership because Houston was getting John Gill to take it back to Vegas. And he
Ah.
asked me, he was trying to sell it to me, right? So he's like, oh, go pick it up. So I actually took it from Lambeau and I drove it up here for the video.
Oh,
And so I
okay.
have some photos of this black.
Sick.
And it was like 2 days before the
That-
car was mine.
That's what I was thinking because I shot all the, like a bunch of inventory style photos of it and I
Oh,
was
wow.
like, this looks
Yep. Same
familiar.
car. Yep. It's the only one in the country that's a non-RS.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
How many did they make of the RS?
So there's 20. So total Agueras is 57, and
Okay.
that includes 7 1-to-1s. And then
Oh, wow.
of all those, 27 of them are kind of like RSs,
Uh-huh.
but 2 of the 27 are what they call like the final edition,
Okay.
the FEs, but they're RSs as well. So there's 27.
It's like layers of
Yeah.
like,
It's so funny though, because like those ones are obviously like the most expensive,
Sought after, yeah. Yeah.
There's only 5 of these though worldwide. Agera S.
That's
This is
crazy.
The only one in the US.
Okay. Yeah, I'm down to do that. We can do that. So, all right. Yeah, we'll meet down there, and we'll go. Thanks for letting me participate.
of course it seems to be doing better. So,
That's good.
but yeah, hold on to mine as much as you need it.
My heart is still pounding from that. That would have been nice.
Dude, I'm excited to see the BTS of that. That's hilarious.
Look at all the way. Over a bridge and then out. So if I can get a clip of him going this way and then have him coming out from
Flipping.
underneath. So it'll go him past, and then right after he passes, he's down underneath.
Oh, coming through that way?
Yeah.
So it's like a layered,
Yeah.
like a, that's sick. I like that. Yeah, it's surprisingly way busier in this area than I was expecting. So I talk about this all the time, but the more you network, like I met Hunter 2-3 years ago, and he's the one that set up this shoot with Stradman. If it wasn't for him, I wouldn't be here right now. It's just another example of like, the more you network, the more you widen your network base, the more these opportunities will present themselves. And that's really that's how you win the game, is just network with more people. You'll meet people with more cars, and it all just falls into place from there. So just something to think about when you're, as you progress along your journey, on the photography journey. Let's get some quick drive-bys.
Dude, little guy, come check this out. Come check this out right here. So chasing it going up the hill.
That lens is
sick.
crazy.
And my glasses are playing music.
Oh, nice.
See, like that perfect vibe for it.
Sick.
It's kind of
perfect.
That was so dope. I need to buy one. It's like that, going right through there. Dude. Super cool. Heck yeah. Sweet. I think.
The color's so perfect. It like pops so hard.
rotating.
Yep.
That right there,
That's so
dude. I'll rewind it for you. See, like, yeah, so like he's backed off, and then it rotates as he's coming forward, a little bit of a shake to it.
It makes it look like we're going faster than we are.
Right, exactly. Yeah. That's why I'm so low to the ground. Is
right.
It just, you know.
Gives more, yeah.
Exactly.
Logan,
But-
what's that camera you
The
got?
big camera?
Yeah.
Usually I'll like shoot with it and then I'll put the real photos with it.
Oh,
So,
do you have like a little point and shoot?
You know my little pink camera that I have?
Oh, what?
It does. It's actually, it's dead right now, but it's like 10 pixels. Oh, the back. Okay.
Yeah, so
Sick.
I'll hang out the front,
front, so you
right,
get-
just so I can get that.
Sick. Okay. That's crazy. That's so aggressive. I was getting rollers of you shooting. So like you're in focus and it's like blurred.
Oh, heck.
It looks pretty sweet.
I love it.
None of them are probably in focus, but the idea is cool. Yeah.
And you can drop
Yeah.
I had last film. You're like getting rollers of cars or a Koenigsegg? No, getting rollers of
Just Hunter.
photographers.